there are a lot of advertisements and infomercials, okay? And they claim to have the newest and best ways, right? The best ways to eat healthy and lose weight. But beware of the hype and price tag. Here are some fads and tricks to watch out for. Let's go over these and explain why it's so important not to get confused by reality and hype. So, how to avoid getting fooled by false claims. Natalie, let's take the first one. If it's too good to be true,
it probably is.
See, she's like a team with me.
So what happens is if they're claiming too many quick results, quick weight loss, or a high amount of weight loss that you're going to be seeing in a short period of time, those are things that you want to be careful with. Healthy weight loss and healthy living requires that consistency and having the time and putting time and work into it. So eating healthy and exercising are very important.
All right, let's see the next one, which is how to avoid getting fooled again. Who is the health expert? What are their credentials? Brian?
That's
huge.
Super important. I mean, anytime you're seeking an exercise professional, you always want to make sure that they have some sort of certification. So US Reps is a good source, the usreps.org that you can go to and see if somebody is credentialed in a health and fitness field. And then, I mean, you don't go to a doctor and not ask, you know, if you're a doctor or not.
Exactly, exactly. All right, do we have another one? Let's see if we have one more. Here we go. Exercising on a budget. This is, you know, obviously this is not false. This is something that we should be doing more of. And this is on a budget because sometimes, Brian, gyms are a little bit too expensive for some people. That membership, even getting there is a pain. So walk with your dog, invite family or friends. At lunch, take a little walk around the block or around the neighborhood. In bad weather, you can go to the mall. There's really, I guess here, the message is no excuses, Brian.
No, there really isn't. I mean, your body is a gym. It really is. I mean, you can do push-ups, you can do pull-ups, you can walk, you can run, you can swim. With no equipment, you can partake into a lot of physical activity that's just really easy to implement in your day.